In this MetaMask tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect MetaMask to the Optimism Layer 2 network for Ethereum, so you can send funds to your MetaMask wallet and make transaction at a much lower cost than on the Layer 1 Ethereum blockchain. And as a bonus, towards the end of this video, I will show you how to earn some passive income using your crypto assets, so make sure to stick with me till the end. But for now, let's get scoping. Firstly, you'll need to have the MetaMask extension installed. And if you don't have that yet, you can go to metamask.io and click on download now and follow the steps. But if you need more help on setting up your MetaMask account properly and configuring all the settings, then I have this step-by-step guide on setting up your MetaMask account, and I'll link it in the description below for you. So once our MetaMask is set up, we can click on the icon here, then hover over the three dots and click on that, and then click on expand view. This will bring up our MetaMask dashboard. And before we proceed, I just want to mention that you don't need to have a separate wallet address in order to add your Optimism network. You can use this exact same address here with the two different networks. However, you must note that the funds on your Ethereum mainnet will not show up on the Optimism network. But if you find it easier to have a separate address, then no problem. You can click here, then go to create account, then type in your new name and click create, and you'll have a new account in a second. Or if you need to recover your old account, then you can also go to import account and put in your private keys here as well. So it's up to you which method you want to go for, but an important note that I need to make is that for all transactions above $1,000, or if you want to hold more than $1,000 in a wallet, then I strongly recommend you get a hardware wallet. And you can connect a hardware wallet here with MetaMask, and the two supporting hardware wallets right now is the Ledger and the Trezor. I have both of these, I like them both, and I've also done an individual unboxing and review on both of these hardware wallets, and I'll also leave links in the description for both of them to help you out if you need. So first of all, from the dashboard, there are two main ways of adding Optimism network to your MetaMask wallet. For the first way, you would just click here and go to the custom RPC, then you would have to input information into these 5 different fields, and you can get that information from this article here, which I'll also leave a link in the description for you to help you find it easier. So we scroll down and you can see here, these are the 5 fields that we need to copy and paste into MetaMask. So I'll do that right now. Make sure you double check that everything's correct, then click on save. And now if we go back to our dashboard, you can see we're on the Optimism network and it shows that we have 0 Ethereum and the logo is there. So this most likely means that we've done it correctly. But now I'll show you the second way, which I believe is much easier. So we just go back to our custom RPC and delete our Optimism network. Now you can go to a site called chainlist.org. This is an aggregation of all the different chains and networks available for you to connect to with MetaMask. So the first thing is I'll type in optimistic. You can see there are 3 options available, and the one that we should be using is the chain ID 10, which is their mainnet. So we click on connect wallet and then click on add to MetaMask. Now I suggest you click on view all details and double check that it's the same information as what I showed you before. If you're happy with that, close it and click on approve. And now we click on switch network and we go back to our MetaMask account. Now you can see here we're connected right back to the Optimism Ethereum network. So I hope you can see the difference between the two methods. The second one is much simpler and stop you from making any mistake when copying and pasting the values. The next thing I want to show you is how to earn some passive income. And one of the most popular platforms on Ethereum right now is Uniswap. So to do that, we're going to add liquidity and stake our token on Uniswap. You can do that by going to pool and now click on new position. Select your pair. I have ETH and now select WBTC. I'm going to type in 0.005 for this example. And in terms of impermanent loss and your set price range here, this is a bit more complicated. I have a more in-depth tutorial guiding you on this for Uniswap, so check that out in this tutorial if you need more help. But for now, I'm going to click on approve WBTC. Once again, pay the minimal gas fee of 82 cents. Click confirm. Now click preview. And if I'm happy with everything, then click on add. This will be the last confirmation. This is about another $1, and I'll click on confirm again. And once again, this payment was instant and took less than a second. And now you can see here we have a position of our ETH and WBTC. And now we're going to keep earning the 0.3% fee for people trading this pair on Uniswap. If you're looking for more variety and want to stake your other assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum or other altcoins as well, then it is a good idea to take advantage of these platforms, which I'm about to show you here. Plus you can get a free sign up bonus worth $375. So I think it's a no-brainer here. You simply just have to go to the links in the description below, sign up for these platforms and start staking your crypto to earn your standard APY and the free bonus. You can see here through my links, BlockFi will give you a $250 bonus when you stake your crypto with them. And Celsius Network is going to be a $50 bonus. Crypto.com is also not bad at $25. Same thing with Leden at $25. And lastly, Voyager is going to be $25 as well. My favorites, which I use for the long term, are BlockFi, Celsius Network and Crypto.com. But Leden and Voyager are still worthwhile signing up and getting their bonus. However, if you want more information and more ways to earn passive income with your cryptocurrency, then I strongly recommend you check out this next video here. But if you still need more help on MetaMask, like connecting it to other dApps or sending your funds to other blockchain network, then I have a full MetaMask playlist here which you should check out. And I'll see you over in that next tutorial.